In today's video, I'm going to teach you how I use Notion for brain dumping. If you're someone who often feels overwhelmed by a whirlwind of thoughts and tasks floating in your mind, then having a structured yet flexible space to organize them can be a game changer. Notion is an incredibly versatile tool that can help you streamline your thoughts, making the process both calming and efficient. Let me walk you through my method. First, you'll want to open up Notion on your device, whether that's a computer, tablet, or smartphone. Once you're there, look for your profile icon, which is usually located in the upper left corner of the dashboard. Give that a click. This will lead you to a menu filled with various options tailored to personalizing your Notion experience. After you've clicked on your profile, direct your attention to the Templates section within the menu. Now, if you haven't utilized templates before in Notion, they're a fantastic starting point. They act as pre-constructed frameworks that can save you a lot of time in setting things up from scratch. Clicking on templates brings up a wide array of options that can suit different preferences and needs. Once you're in the templates section, you'll see a search bar. Type in brain dump in the search area. It's a simple phrase, but one that effectively captures what we're aiming to achieve, clearing out your mind and categorizing thoughts in a structured way. Typing this will highlight the pre-existing brain dump template in Notion, designed specifically for this purpose. Next, click on the brain dump template that appears. This is where the magic happens. Selecting this template will import its structure into your workspace, giving you a system to start organizing your thoughts immediately. Spend a moment to appreciate the layout, which is designed to capture spontaneous ideas, tasks, and reflections. It's a clean slate ready to accommodate whatever you've got swirling in your head. Finally, locate the Add button, usually visible as a plus sign or indicated by an Add option in your interface. When you click it, you'll begin interacting with the template, adding your data, your ideas, and your personal flair. This is your space, so explore the format that works best for you. Remember, it's not about perfection, but rather about capturing and managing those thoughts effectively. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've set up a convenient, dedicated place to harness your ideas. This isn't just about documenting your thoughts, but also about finding peace in a bit of organized chaos. Take some time to explore what best suits your style and watch how this practice can enhance your productivity and mental clarity.